my friends, foolish born-again Christians who are believers and not thinkers.
Yeah, Zoe once again. You know, when you're young, you believe everything, but when you grow, you need to question them. These are some questions. Very relevant. Don't be offended. Better music. Alright, tie. Many so time me who we are seeing no. And I used to be maybe Sanebia na wengo. Fise free tete, a Christopher Jesus is coming soon 20 years ago. And so still I won't do. Common sense in your maintenance that why you Garden of Eden, Onyankopon said we are the wembo. Yeah. To be on the map on Sama went to. We was a bon Sama Maya Bonia Meko Jebo. When you blasphemy, Bami who say it make sense. On the ball me or Mama Jenna for self defense. When I go bob on somebody Paya Bonia, I then I won't couldn't inferiority to avoid more offense. But when Kumbun Sam no Koneba. Before then, we'll be who.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water.
Hi.
Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hello, what from a dropping? Tinasi, ahun kemle. Na wenya beje metan riding ho. Smooth, fully nyanya.
As what fraud then?
Missy, what from a dropping? Men kaji wediban and fambra wana.
Dropping.
Manfa u parcel unko ana men kaji mbra wana.
Dropping.
Men kafa u mofraba mbra wana.
Dropping.
Men kaji u groceries mbra wana.
Dropping.
Laundry, mwakwa bantam dodo. Kwana biya ewo whole Ghana. Go Play Store ana App Store. Na download Droppin. DROPYN.
Droppin.
Not from within a minute. Na mo bohode.
Droppin.
Menso ya Ghana ha bebia. Ye juma ya sonko. What from a Droppin? Masa ya what town. Tale moku you take Droppin. Droppin.
Fititititire de bapemne insuhwem amayati asese nsu eyenkwa na asase edawe emu hanchechemu aduoson so eyensu na sete sadia de nti na wotena se emensukom ane nsu enwa woyiraw ema wani tuka wonsem erade na ye drilling company limited won ababeso how bebria na nipa nemu efa nsu ho wobetu asase yem kopem se wobetu nsu pa ehotew ne watu adiamawo borehole drilling yayebi water treatment services yaye visibility studies ehun se baby a wo kire yense yentu no ayade ebetu nsu wasase ne yem ansa ne yetu yaye hand and electronic pump installation hydrofracture yade machines ahoro esi asase neni ne yatu nsu na fi baby biare wa begu faako yem borehole drilling no ehotew utimenom wode horade egware mpa unya ohaw ankrankrai efiesim apartment ahoro insurance hotels estate developers washing bay nyumeku momre ne rade na aye drilling company limited yabebo am wenyen supa putu yang was 0245 636 634 and 02471 714 72. Erade na aye drilling company limited. This is to Ayenkwa.
Hey, I thank you for what, and then you want to tell me. Some lady CSF TV, Akufabai, Akufaji, Media Shrokokra, Yatunitin said, don't come yo, don't come me, don't come yo, don't come me. The United States CSF, at the four, any other four, money to Menino, a plenty of Blinano. The air can say, says everywhere be a was say a monochrono, and no 80 some lady CSF TV, and the common sense family, Akufaji, Media Shrokwa. Jackie don't come me at the upper. Dina NSA. More money 80 you must say a blinano. The Pasia Sumudia, Mosumu at the airport CSF Yano. Ye Bohun Del Ru at the Mammo, after the Aquan. It means say, Samly, we will be out to me every day hospitals, restaurants, supermarkets, companies, and Asabia industries, saloons, mobile phone and accessories, herbal shops, laptops, individual businesses, be a wee piano. wobetimi abo ewro epono mu na yetimi ene wo de dwumadie hwere kokora ni ato hwekora de ama wo ni abo ho dawro ama eye amansa nyina etimi ho dwumadie a wodi etibo modene a na etimi fresh a number wo say 0244 539729 tieni bien 0244 539729 yoko mdwumadie fa ho hjem na de ka nyina se CSF TV se adwen na anya adwuma body ne bre.
Minu Ghana for me chechi amunyina. Ema mu nua bema Avram bin Moshe, leader of Common Sense Family. Common Sense Family a awakening movement a yedi bia ni pani. Said the bay especially ebibiman e be fa ne to ba pefra. Media de to me ankasa Ali Ibrahim. Yawo min kremoni be ye Kristo ni. Esua de abanjifo no. Esan se wa wo tre asem ne ka se, ye nso wo nyina hwe se fi awurade a. Na me sua osom godro ni nyina. In conclusion, be hu say all religion or sum biara was invented by man. Obo ade na ma ye som, na emum o ma ye adwene sense of good judgment say ye fantine wiase. Enfem bobra. Eye ensembi say Bible mu pensem mu. Koran mu adesua ni osom godro mu adesua. Any other social issues and ye de bremo e wo program ya to din say time with the Common Sense Family 9:30 p.m. Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturday. Enti shia me wo sonfo Avram bin Moshe e wo Tumpani TV adwena anya adwuma body ne bre yadamu nyina ase. Bye bye.
Yes, Abraham de Moshe. Nana yeton kante manka Ghana ntiti say religion ti kamya yese nyansa nya adwuma biemu. Yato yenkocha na twe na kofa broni die no. Wuhia bibeni a yefre wo sen, was yefre me Frederick. Enso bi hu broni bi a yefre no Kofi Konto. Yagera identity. So who gonna be called the brethren? Broni sa nekete da so abibeni mbo.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I
am very delighted to be here today. First of all, my name is Reverend Dr. Anantame Kwekunyama Jr. It was just last 3 weeks that I completed my Bible course from Canada. Today's Bible verse and the teaching is synchronized and synchronized and dichotomous in the religious dynamics. Debbie, I didn't.
Kofi seconds uni maybe on said on say program am no ye no me bu nkotodwe sese bibia tumi kona wieye so atiase esa na ma akaidafo ne falasifo bi yenyaye na hwe ayesa pa na ma Avram ben Moshe esi ye collection kwan mama wanya kwan afa medal enamu Avram ben Moshe esi ye collection kwan wanya kwan enya access na famu ko mo stop
any preacher who say give me money God will multiply it is a thief. Did you hear what I said? What is he? He's a thief. Quote me anywhere. Quote me anywhere. It's fraud. God doesn't multiply money. Did you hear that? If God multiplies money, let me tell you the truth. I will lock the doors and keep all of you here. Whatever you have in your pocket, we will drop it. And nobody will go out for 1 year. Let God multiply that money so that the day we open the windows and doors and we go out, we are coming up billionaires. If that does not happen, then God does not multiply money. He that does not work should not eat. So if you want to eat, work. So if you want money, work. It didn't say fast. You get a job. Clean your head. Don't let the doctrine of Balaam destroy your future. God doesn't multiply money. So if you go to a program somewhere, those of you that like moving around, if you go to a program somewhere and the man of God do 45 millionaires, 45 millionaires. Yeah, I see. He's a thief. He's seen fraud. I see. All right. There are 45 of you here. If you sow 100,000, you become a millionaire. Start coming out. Tell him only. Bye-bye.
Yo, abusiafo medo bia ase na ma nyina akwa aba ya de aba anwumbre dwumadie so medam ase CSF odo kese a moyidi a kire movement de bia mandam ase a na me yetiafo bisma kusi meda wase na na shady meda wase otimo the finisher na na wamosua wan biom obi bia CSF fo nyina medam nyina ase mo amoye videos dakoba true talent time ene kwa 44 me manning na me chiam nyina me do bia CSF all over the world madam wase say you start movement in kakra ye ko ye nimna ya dane a force to reckon with religion ewe ye man mu nyina especially Christianity and Islam ye ne omo begina the same platform wa obi a kire na adwen enya tem didie enya ntokwa ti madam nyina ase de nya ne say mon support Bismakusi ene enche brother Collins Asante ni US for best start UK for so ebo mo ho na ya ye de aboa na CSF afa ne tuma pefra obi entumi stop ye nim se ade ya start no ebekọ nanim ye nkasa bebre ebusuafo mon kwaso nhwe tumpani TV ye ne another TV station e di nkomo ekotru a ebema mo asoate mesra mo ubenya CSF t-shirt ni bia we de quick one fast na wa friend number no na waje wo de fe na oso ahye na wo de promote CSF Bible se munya ne kwa na momfa makwa t-shirt ne so ye nya ne kwa ti ye de ma kwa enya de ebe ye e na ha so no ye nka nche wo so to t-shirt na awrade be bie kwa ama ti t-shirt no ye toy e ne ya prenti kakra bi ne ye de ato so a ye de be support hey Christopher mo abi t-shirt ne kama e wo the ordinary t-shirt ene wo Lacoste Lacoste de mo ahunim se ne board nkakra no 50 bar e se akwa ne new company bi na e kasa ye company ankasa na be ya ma ye ntem se price na the coins kakra be ka ho na monya best quality do I mind why na kama but ye nya company ankasa mo no mo ye nyuma kesia ye nya delay no mne sa ne man because obi ofra na ye se nya ready ni ade nya a big company ye ne on be ye adwuma ti ye damu nyina CSF ti mun support na movement no enko na ni fefe ye damu nyina ase wo mwa mode boa ti be damu ase bebre pekep na ene da ho no afi ya ye papa ya ye diem Apostle Ko Joseph the quantum pendant no for radiation bacho science for na mo frame ne pachaw enyam na me ye quantum no Apostle Ko Joseph ti wa uhi apostle number no ofre numbers na wa ka so apostle the apostle number be ma ana apostle ogomu afeta kwan no so ti we bo moden baby awo bia no say Italy say China say Brazil bo moden fa plane uduru Ghana ko gomu akwan no so na apostle na ko bisan say quantum pendant no asamo yanto aso echebusia dwumede na eguso no ha da wase bebre pa e wo do kese am we ya kire afei quantum space no so another company ene de abase membo hu degro enfemo ene spectacles but quantum it protected the eye obro ni nyansa de efe protect ye ne no what the drive ye nwumbre obi so highlight cry nto weni so protect eye no ene ma be brain to open more details what the just go online now Google uses of quantum glasses and a benefit of quantum glasses e be chere said ye boa weni nyina nti unya bia o frame avra me number na me ne company na edin sawoso na ye nya bi di amount e bi ton $600 e bi ton $200 e bi ton $300 ba obenya no ne boa wo fon kakra na wenye bodi abo weni oban kama adwene ba adwuma straight up and ye beda ase bebre CSF hade nyansa fi hade adwene ye adwuma dia chesramo ya number na da ho no mo support movement no pa chawo enya urade adwuma Avram bin Moshe and CSF ena oboa di beto data no ne ade ye be ka no ye bedi emfa ma nyankopon di bank account adwuma de ama no yen ena mo boa ye osom a ye de som ena ye sremo urade na ye borehole drilling company limited Paradise Park mineral water and dropping TD no dropping pacha won download the dropping app no na wo car so abetu de akọ dropping na ayeduma de aboa o ma so yase ne o support CSF movement na movement etumi akọ enim tie da mu nyina ase bedam ase bebre yenim se ye base ya na abeyifo no abaso a o mo de o mo beyi ebe hadwuma de ne but CSF de obi antumi fa beyi haye esanse ye na nkasa no ye abeyifo ene yegu a nti beyifo bi a wo su bia no me papa bi pese o ka se bi cha
beyifo mo te san wonyankopon grada wonyankopon jatana na enhyemo wo Jesus Christ nazo yesu mo janso na enkamanim
Keklaw mushe avala mo
beyifo mo te san wonyankopon grada wonyankopon jatana na enhyemo wo Jesus Christ nazo yesu mo janso na enkamanim.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am very delighted to be here today. First of all, my name is Reverend Dr. Kukuniama Jr. It was just last 3 weeks that I completed my Bible course from Canada. Today's Bible verse and the teaching is synchronized and synchronized and dichotomous in the regional dynamics. Debbie, I didn't.
And he said, yes, if a abeyifo no ni ade awie no tum say dwumedie no be kama because uchi abeyifo wie sana onwe bie kwan mu ato se de be ya CSF abeyifo wunya no platform bi aso say be chiamu ti abeyifo mo Ghana nyina no o se mo bom ntuma no po no mbeta CS dwumeko nechi say ye program na ye betumi bie chance say ye chia CSF for class queens chia CSF ladies na ye tumi create chance ye di chia abeyifo a na say ye bumo pachao abeyifo am wasu nyina dodo na ye Christopher
abeyifo mo te sai wonyankopon grada wonyankopon jatana na enhyemo wo Jesus Christ nazo yesu mo janso na enkamanim.
Say nye beyi a wa go bi platform so eye movement na yati ya ye t-shirt obuafu say nye beyi oh Debbie me ba ya menu anom the great debate, the debate of the century I baswa maka ya kofa nsem bebre aba na masaba back biom na pese me kiremo say the difference is clear, the difference is very very clear. Mo bia nje manu nsi bone me ma no mesremo ye kasa ye kasa constructively any history any de kasa tia me kasa na me chem the difference between Islam and Christianity and yesa me wa wosum bi there be but eduru ba bi o se agitum se bi yesin bi said ye tu ekrotum ka se anka ye ya bosom no kra ye better chain Christianity and Islam because abusumsum no yanka nche se bonsam je bi ho abusumsum yanka nche o se bi ho na mom de de hye omu na se suro nipa na wodi bone abusum beku ye better chain the other concept ena with the concept of abusumsum ni ade no ye nwunawuna obi anka se wan beje busum bi ndi a won kwa heaven there bi ye intimidate wo bi a with abusumsum ti religion ye wo endidi so metwe ka say Hindu any Buddha som no kra no e better change Christianity and Islam metwe ka che because omu preaching kan che so omu condemn obi omu de no mo kire opa na wafa nti manya se bia ka say Islam e better change Christianity a na e bia yesuro nkremofo ana ye prejan nkremosom but ewie ya enne ya when the difference between Islam and Christianity de be kire wade bi na mom me ma no ma me ma mo futu kakra me da mo ase me ma ni na otimo kwa 44 wan wasua seto obia ohima bi mo hye ade ba akopɛ na munyi frim mo bia nya video ni di atem ɛna ade ba akɔ amunsua na se mo steady me a se asem bi ba eya me to me bu ansama be reply ene hwɛ yenua Khalifa wo se Halifa minim se Khalifa se Halifa se enye se me yes smarter anka ne wagumani mu ase ewo apology ode aba no yenua no wapacha wo sanka me ba na be anya mani ena me nso bi didi na tem man the reply didi na tem kasa rough a anka be apologize pe that is my end tiano enura na me hwe video no ansa me da yesi adwendwen ewo sunie so te be koda na me dwene ho me hwe angla o kasa die free one eya na ehu kakra wom say religion da wana wo bi obebe bia na yahwe no na ye scholar ye nim say on no kuta wo kofa na ba na o defeat ne no me two scholar no wa build ne brand o wodom ya mi mbu ne nimtia wo me so me wodom de me wodom pa scholar no so wodom nti me ne debate pe ma gbawura ne dom nim nti bia me defeat na me wi nim crofo bebre nti as a Muslim or dosom no oh so ba o tabe bibi but he was carried away by emotions nti me ba no me ma no enye se onye hu video bi pe gidi no akoso camera na dabi ti mo sana ba akokora ye video e na Prince Katela aka che ne se onyai na Moshe enya address ti me ma no mesramo mo ye excellent job but mesre na shidi o de na no ye dendodo we shouldn't reply insult with insult. Ye nua be ma video ye ya mbeka sai me kire wo nkremofo asan fra mi we kire a oyem be hyew say me nua wa be kasa ma ye kura ne ye nua ne kura gu ye ni mu ase te be sramo me ma no eya munya abotre why ani ye common sense family common sense family a common sense family adwene ye adwuma ye ndidi atem na Reverend Osumempa ne ba a ye fe no na nadu be ewia ne me hu se na wo so o type atem didie ewie ya nso na hye na wei na hye di video no na edu wo so a o se didi atem na edu kakra me ka kire wo ne o papa ene mo camp ne se mon koso ene atem didi no why mon koso mo de bia no mon didi ni patem mon koso why mon komanim ene atem didi no why mo afa Yesu din di akata mo ho na mo de atem didi nko na mo se be didi atem te mo de mo nto aso sre CSF se na nedu o hwanyo se ne papa mpo ba no be didi atem mo bi ankasa ne ho why kama omo ino mo time be so me ka kire mo a time will come you see the real prophet me then na maka mbem 31st night me ka kire mo se this year asofo ne be konto kwa rough mo me kan 31st night say this year asofo ne be ko rough entia me wonu say ye make sense asofo ne be try say they will spit wisdom oh yes sofo e be kenya sasem a you automatically you disprove your religion sofo no say any man of God who tell you to bring money and God will multiply it is a thief we disprove him ya wana mu amunye kofi odro koroi eni saunte ya kum chacha kura ki bichira baakuni oh nema asofo na ye chese mo wie ye ba no baakuni
yes Lord, have your way, have your way, have your way, have your way. Hallelujah.
Kofi seconds uni baby on said ye on say program am no ye no me bu nkotodwe sese bibia tumi kona wieye so atiase esa na ma akaidafo ne falasifo bi yenya yen na hwe ayesa pa na ma Avram Ben Moshe esi ye collection kwan ah mama wanya kwan fa medal enamu Avram Ben Moshe esi ye collection kwan wanya kwan nya access na famu ko mo stop
has limited. Religion has limited Christ. Christianity has limited Christ. Because Christ is not a Christian. Christ is not a Christian. It's religion that created Christianity. But Christ did not invent Christianity. He invented love and hope. Christ is love and hope. Because Christianity limits us. I'm a Christian. I gotta look this way. Christians are limited. Peter was a Christian. That's why he was limited. And Christ is looking for extensions, for demonstration of power. That's why he found Paul, whose mindset is different.
Yam ye na nwuru se sofu bia entimi nyewu koroi am ye na ye tiase number 2 koroi am ye nwuru se ye oil ni ye nku ni ye stickers any ye bands any ye calendars ni na useless se nye useless ya momfa mesa koru no any me Kofi Dronka me na mebo ho da wura mama me be ko TV so akọ radio so aye hu dede ni Kofi Dronka me di se admara koroi am ye nwuru se enada ene nipa bebere da da nipa. I'm telling you koroi atini pat
straight up ebusiafo wenu na eche se asofo no ebi no person mo ka no kra na akofa problem wa ba no eno monim guase na e ba no ti ye ni obi ani problem ti Reverend Osubempa so ntu ne manefo no mo de ye ba live o ma be di atemo a we don't care. Let's continue. The difference is clear. Manager number na da wono so wo frame me na on san kamia na wo important information o we futuo bi o pese o de maya yes CSF ye je futuo tum wo de fa manager so a manager e de be ma me e bia me kasa me kan sem bi man kan yi wo pese o kore ye tia wo kore tia wo de fa na ye fefefe nti madam nyina ase me ni P Black ene Yahuda ena ye wo efidue mu a ye ba mo nchen ene awie straight up quickly one time sharp there is a big difference between Christianity and Islam. And I'm saying, muhunu se siya, amendra, and a yenu abema Halifa, ebeye video, aija, mutuche bi di mani CSF, duru baby o se abanesa, ti machramo, young fellas be in Cremonia. You won't say, yes, scholar no, ye debate no, you're very high. To obey debate Moshe, what to be the outcome? Moshe be dini sunkunim, and obey Moshe sunkunim. Hey, into Moshe dini sunkunim, my dear Baba. Tiamiano, yeah, or dream and some, but at the dia bemunenye, me make some of their channel. And I make some say, let us study people, let us learn whom we are dealing with. Me catch them say, Yemiano, or you're very good in a rendering apology, no be pachow, manganjam. Make us so be pachow. This is the difference between Islam and Christianity. Islam have leadership. Christianity doesn't have leadership. Christosum says so forbidden kwasiasem so forbid Jimmy. Trouble by Christosum why na solve. Islam have leadership. Minuano Halifa may catch of it and no ye video up to today. Calls are corner so from Islamic camp easy. Yeah. Cremophone paying for friend and then nakasa. Say me the only yen cremosom. Kwana ko pachaw. That is Islam. Man cremoni man ba akonye mistake. Chief imam be friend is here. Christianity. The Reverend God for pen obeye. Bishop Obinim the open obeye. Reverend Osubempa de na age gon. Na we your we pen we ye. Christian Council of Churches ye won fast war. No way can the obey. Christianity doesn't have leadership. The division is too much. The too known, the minim, the radia frame, nation prophet, the title nation prophet, God, your God and Jesus, cannot even appoint nation prophets, but the Muslims have appointed chief imam. Nyen kremosum na mebo mabaso. Ba menua o tan kwadua no way in America. There's the apology. Ban sana no yenua na organize debate no e wasem kakraka on organize debate no. Pe wona minim ewie ya me won live me catch am se wa frame ni video na waye ni pacho me ntie ne mra.
Ya jama'atul muslimin abusuafo a mo hwe me sabre. Aya video ya mo hwe video it is directed to our senior most scholar honorable Sheikh Awal Muhammad. And na oja ono so social media e friend ye dawa media and friend peace dawa media. And on Wakasa so ye friend Alifa. Now there is one particular video be I was sharing and it is going viral on social media pertaining Awal Sheikh Awal ni debater woni Abraham Limushi ebabe. Now say honorable Muhammad Awal Jai debating here. It is very flawed. Now, first and foremost, the entire makers and the business argument now is very flawed. Listen. Now, one, sir, on kind of to the thing we say, debates. Debate ni more debating. Name debating at the audience. Now, listen and listen very good. Some woman we are near Duduana and Cremofo ya to Trafo. Na impo si won wade na se won ti ade na se a ade na won nya butre na won musa event organizers ni musa say program na ye organizing ne puma sibre etisen. But you go direct to social media because you have access to Wi-Fi. What the kind of social media what kika de open. Na bibia en twama wo say you were making your argument with insults. Sana inkremosum echire yesese who make you argument and you make your argument with insult. Now first and foremost the entia wonyina so no wonsem a obeka nyina no eye treha na ye ayampia na obeto ni say one the edikan Islam some and fahu ne pedigree. That is one. And nuntina akola betimi agina sewon farko. And nuntina small boy betimi agina sewon farko. And nuntina akokora betimi agina sewon farko. Yenye sewon farko ne mfama enkokorafo atumfo ahemfo anase bibisa. Se Islam uye Islam niya wo bia eyepe. And nunti anase ye maamenom ne papanom ne anua be ma mko haja. Wo bia fra nwura white ye ni obi ofra black see the be ya wa wo fra black na be chese wo ye panyi anase wo ya akokora. That is Islam ye the perper yo na ye adwuma enne wonim nipa dodo a Abraham Limoshe no mo follow no wonim nipa dodo a enne wo madwen no they are confused as to why sa brand ye ne kekasa ada ne nsem no a o kana no kora na enu nti no obi anya challenge no na na enipa na kire se Nyankopon ti ase na se Nyankopon ti ase a e wo se ye nkremofo aye wanim defo a wo mo betimi a kire ne se wo no ni gina bre na wo gina so no enyim faso eye business no ye nya wo bi ti se on Sheikh Awal Muhammad a wo no ba be gina ye nema boaye na wama Ghana fo wo mo wa chirichiri ne benche ye nyina hu se no abrantie no se ni nyina so na wo gina so eye business and bogus what baba gina social media so no be a word reputation say na wo kasa basasa no. It shouldn't be like that. Sometimes you know with your pedigree no the moment I will saw live video no you should know what you are going to say and you should back them with evidence. Akwarin safo ankobusa anabi question anabi ka say ne pedigree no was one asura bofo kasa enti won yi o ma no ana. What are you saying? And I say time Annabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ekwa maka kurodu anim anaso osori wo maka kurodu anim no na maka kurodu anim no mo obuku bia na ekro mo no mo obuku bi dada na ekro mo na no mo so bi dada na ekro mo na but wo kika wo nyina abomu ma Islam som ne yo makono ade ne yema Islam som ne nyama fo akono se ne ye be ya wo musu betimi esu. It is high time. It is high time. Was here ma ye nuanom no mo wa brochire no nkoliaba ne ti ase ese. Enti susu ampa se nke ye broni ana na nke da sa poster na e da Facebook no so a kon be ka che on Sheikh Awal Muhammad se wonjaya na. Wonye broni die wonyai. Master, you people should make sure of what you saying because sometimes when you incite people wrongly remember that one day we will all be gone and we will face judgment. Yawahanum Awa Muhammad Bagan has Sheikh Nuhu program. Our Prempa Assembly Hall will be debating one pastor be. I am telling you, even 10 quotations, Kraukas won't quote you free trim him. And even one particular issue, they said the guy was totally anonymous or being him no. But Awal debated him, not because say he wanted to debate him, but rather young Kremofu near Wohono, no person will bore me who is saying Christos nim Fasubia. And it is high time that you people know what to say. Abraham Limoshe, our almost 130,000 followers. 130,000 followers who now Obisano. Sheikh Awal Muhammad Ekwako, and in Ekwako debater, my brother, think twice.
Yeah, Miniano. Yemiana Kasa, I was send me pon video no. My memma common sense for no be advice. Share, yeah, Miss Ramo, a yam in pese, make Kasa with say over 2 minutes. No, yeah, the ambassador Juma. More mobile, no more type. Stop overrating Islam. Truth is truth. That being a Christopher did attempt a Christopher ya baby. No one say even after 1 year a Christopher Pachaoda. Here Khalifa ya there less than 24 hours. Khalifa apologizing. Jenny a video. Unim confirm a video. Unim kremofua on my frame ne. Unim imam of my frame ne. And the mention say we are against religion. But a bit more subi ya even. Where Christians are right, I will tell you, Christos somebody away, ya papa. And I mean, go to verse. And Chama say Bible verse where they offer here. Tiania said defend you Osumbi. But Osumbi make sense. A bit did ye BH. Less than 24 hours. Kenyansa sama yebra na babeka. Ebia Khalifa no follow me. Khalifa no follow me. And to onim doma me wo. Onim impact me make it. Ebia Khalifa no en kremofo freno en kan chele say minua ye confuse but Muslim scholars receive calls every day akwa mo she ni confusing o tu fi say kremofo beto nsa e dia ade na kremofo e dia omo top most scholar ever en Duncan Williams Pastor Benson Wotabel Ajenasare Istudanaba aso for net tia pam omo nyina dwane akopɛ baabi ate Mama can't tell me say stop overrating Islam. More bien Casasam. We see some time comedy blockings. Yeah, the day of Bible. Koran a crass and I can't want some. Yauda, maybe I catch them. Koran a cry, I can't want some say what. But in Kremofo, and you're top killer, I say. Only defenders of no. Ya, Jofo Bible, Lusu Bible, and for ticing. I saw for enough, baby. Nine Kremofo. To the extent to bring their topmost scholar. He's right to talk. Send the buffalo Yauda. I said small boy be friendly debate. Who said to Bufu? But I said, all those say me from me or top the but a true baby. Who to say no or boss from one person because our level. Me be fool be me be fool once me buff CSF4. Yeah adwene ho adwuma. Me comment say Abraham stop of hyping Islam. Me hype me person me join Islam me come straight and hype. Truth is truth. Yes started ka Bible once me yende. Ya Jofo Duncan Williams come man reply. One friend debate you or report to me man. Wait YouTube say yam block me. Church of Christ wait opinion Daniel Esiama Reverend also bempa any emisade why video man reply o kojire TV so kamasem na eya leaders ni bi okwa omu bu omo ho tempese me kom wasem opinion Daniel Emisa obunipa me ka kire me na kasa pen me na kasa ofon so ebra Church of Christ for yeda me na kasa obunipa onene me kasa wo bu okwan so but I was say elder Esiama oba ni ye debate. No defending the GD woman meaning a Christopher Jani and Cremofono. I got to the extent to say, oh, Kofa local champion, oh, the international champion. Abba. What? Let us applaud Muslims for this bold move. Don't you know, say, so Mushe Knebano, 7 a big blow to Islam. Tidi ya brand any abreno. There you are overhyping Islam. Akwesi wu akra family debate. Akwesi wu. Udu mo ma ka so me debate. Also no debate. But omo didi asante ngene atem. Na me ka chem. Me so akwesi wu am fa ne sanka Bible biom. Me so akwesi wu am. Me ne hu sesa Bible wa bon na no na ede na no na achi. Akwesi wu a. Me so ni mu. On fa ne sanka Bible biom. So didi asante ngene atem. Didi amamra atem. Didi Rollins le kofo atem. Me so akwesi wu am with the Bible eh. So for be open on chichi na no. We are so for now our members by 1,000. Chichi wa no. Ti meslamu. Truth is truth, fact is fact. Bebia incremosum edi bem no. Me catch na wa jitum. Less than 24 hours. Twe videos and cremofo ayi. Emi abe ma no ye video kro odidi matem. Me baya ye spiti wisdom. Ye didi natem. Hede emi abe ma ne kan. Still obeso dodgy debate no but twi mu time beba so tba cho yentie ye nua beba no why ntibesre na na shady eduru ba bia don't reply insult with insult me ba o show so why you adwuma why you ade who defending movement no o come movement no but na atemdidie ne do so nti o show no so na comment na ya atemdidie ye common sense family ti o so ma ne ti ase say ti won kremoni mpo a wo se wo ginyankopon di ena wudidi atem say ye didi watem by binia wan kase yi enye aboa kwasea jimi wa bodam wonso wa jimi no ena eche say make point da bi me ba wie aseme na me kan man ka we o da be enye onu kwanti da bi ye nua be ma no type sa da be enye onu kwanti na me kasa do type enye onu kwa csf no bebre ta yesa why ye nua no ya ye nhwa ade no from the a different perspective. Ye need him saying cremofo pentokwa sa no mo kan ma ne to yitirim. But in reality, debate ya man yanka ya dane ntokwa ina ye Christopher. Me ko Kumasi Central Mosque en cremofo no kra ne sambo me ho bai. Some young boy bi cassette ya me adia imam ofo ne de ye no. Me o kai me ne malam agenda. Ye debate e wotema committee 1 malam agenda. Ye wie na boy bi Muslim boy say ono Ali na okasa ti say preku malam no nim debate no o ko holy boy no ordinance say no de hwe ne chest bra no holy guy no me ko pa chaw no say Ali chale we nye debate ye be num ne rough boy ni bu nkotodwe wo ha o ma boy ne pa me chaw say wa bodam obesa wo fitibra ye wo ba wiase when obi a wa bom kremosom pressure ete se ye nua we ma ore mfi no ye nua ye fa na Ali ye nua e na we free sumnim e na obo ye pressure nti ye nua we kra ka kire ye se ye nsua de ba me ni obedi amankwa ye debate Kristo di the second e wo me member ba ko ani ase obedi ase onim ho we hypocrite ينتي حليفة
والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله أعوذ بكلمات الله تأمات من شر ما هلك يتي فوا متي بيبيا وكان بيس دا وميديا مسج وي اكوما Avraham bin Moshe any Coffee TV or watching do you call them and Rami be a program about the debate that's supposed to happen between Avraham bin Moshe and Sheikh Muhammad Awal and maybe later on no you be cancel sir debate no we sit down with the scholars before I came out to make the announcement say ya cancel our program no na mom me kasa no me temper equal high and the temper no equal high no me kika asambi na mom san sam na me kika no na enkoyi because Muslim no or Islam no doesn't teach us that for you to use something like an insult word to somebody. It's not an Islam way. But when we say Obia nipa, me so me nipa, met me from so. Said there was we nipa with me from so. Some home from some kwadia and then me share video na mo say na me use word be something like we toilet paper, something like wadrin ye, we kaza we Jimmy. All this stuff no nine and kind ni kwase me dey. Me kasa asem wenti we dey Avraham bin Moshe any were down for 4 in more on any more TV station and come up some program no I am here to apologize to you. We know me and Kasami mistake and me to stand on behalf of Peace Dawa Media and our Peace Dawa Media group and me and Kasa Asama Mika, you know, I'm apologizing to you, these guys, on certain things looking like an insult or even an insult to you. We there, me power chow, family boni chemi. Na yankopon said ye na boni ache. Na mom about the debate in there, I know there enko ye my because malam no, and yes ABI yesuro anabi bisa. Malam no is an international malam. Debate there, yankasa yenu enye debate, but you were sizes. Yenu ebeti mama my debate. So we are ready in Kwadia. I have some young guys. Our money will bet my debate. So if you can able to win them, then we can drop you, madam. And she has some of your own. And then, the whole Afghanistan, scholars international, any Ghana, or mobile Peace Dawa Media, and the reason why we stop this debate, and then we're gonna interview some scholars on this issue tonight on Peace Dawa Media, inshallah. And Chabram Moshe, from Boni Chami, now soon you know who that is, the push-up king. Salaam alaikum. Very soon, Abraham, I hope you become a Muslim, inshallah.
Pekeklau. Mushe avalam was a koshia avalam. Akwana waba Kofi TV. Kofi Adomawa was Jesus Christ and Finyame. Shakwani nim any blessing. She Akwana Kinkaba will nanunimity as a baby fire to tomorrow. Me pacho
by 4 months say. Wonyankopon grada, wonyankopon jatana, and enshemo, and with Jesus Christ Nazareth, yes, mojanso, and enkamanim.
Yeah, I was yanti. Uti, an apology. Now uti pay kekrawa. Oh, the difference between a Muslim and a Christian. Hey, Alifa, your apology is accepted. Your apology is accepted. Inti, ye jai bibi manaka. But debate ready. Momo de mane mraso. Momo de mpa maso dia. Ebe ha green tea. And you bring some meeting. Yeah, any obi any problem. Any problem. Me won lesson ye, me be ye lesson sesi a ye jenkrato na maba sesi a na lesson ne su. Powerful lesson. Be blacks ye konwem ye jenkrato lesson ne beto aso sesi a more fire. Tialifa ye jabi be manaka. What to err is human, to forgive is divine. Why? Common sense family ye dey check. Debate ne die e beba so pa. Kai ho aba na lesson no esu den pampe. Right, and I'm gonna sinti straight up. Your boss is here one time.
Titiri de bapemne insushem amayati asese nsu eyenkwa na asase edawe emu hanchichemu aduoson so eyensu na sete sadia denti na wotena se emensukom ane nsu enwanwo yiraw emaweni tuka wonsem erade na ye drilling company limited won ababeso how bebria na nipa nemu efa nsu ho wobetu asase yem kopem se wobetu nsu pa ehotew ne wetu ade amawo borehole drilling yayebi water treatment services yaye visibility studies ehun se baby a wo kire yense yentu no ayade ebetu nsu asase ne yem ansa ne yetu yaye hand and electronic pump installation hydrofracture yade machines ahoro esi asase neni ne yatu nsu na fi baby biare wa begu faako yem borehole drilling no ehotew utimenom wode horade egware mpa unya ohaw ankrankrei efiesim apartment ahoro insurance hotels estate developers wasing ben nyumeku mumre ne rade na aye drilling company limited yabeboa mo wenyen supa putu yang 0245 636 634 and 02471 71472. Eradina Drilling Company Limited. This is Sue Ayonkwan.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water. Hi. Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hello, what from a drop and tenacity? I'm Kimley. Now, when you're better, Town riding horse, smooth, fully nyanya.
As what fraud then?
Missy, what from a drop and Minka de Wedban and from Brawana. Drop in. Manfa parcel uncle, and I'm in Katim Brawana. Drop in. Munka for woman from Brawana. Drop in. Minka de groceries and Brawana. Drop in. Laundry, Makwa Bantam Dodo. Couldn't be a war, I would hold Ganas. Go Play Store, and App Store, not download Dropin, DROPYN. Dropin, not from within a minute. No more there. Dropin, Menso, you gonna have baby. Yet you are your son. What from a Dropin? Massa, you what town? Tell it, Moku take Dropin.
Hey, I tag you for what, and then you are then there. Some lady CSF TV, Akufabai, Akufaji, Media Shrokokra, Jatunitin said, don't come yo, don't come me, don't come yo, don't come me. The United States CSF, at the four, any other four, money to Menino, a blenny, ye can say, says everywhere be a ma, a was say a monochrome, and no 80 some lady CSF TV, and the Common Sense family, Akufaji, Media Shrokwa. Jackie don't come me at the upper. Dina NSA. More money 80 to must say the Ablinano. The Preciation Mudia Mosumu at the airport CSF Yano. The Bohun Del Ru at the Mamo. For the Aquan. It means say. Samly, we will be out to me every day at hospitals, restaurants, supermarkets, companies, and Asabia industries, saloons, mobile phone and accessories, herbal shops, laptops, individual businesses. Be a wee piano. Ubetimi abo ewe promo na yetimi anywhere the Jumadi Shokra near to Shokra the amount near Bohon Deuro ama aye amanse nyina etima mu Jumadi a udi etibomodinia na etimi fresh number was 0244 539729.